In this video, I'll show you how to log out of the Binance app. First, open the Binance app on your phone. Make sure you are already inside your account, because the logout option is available from your profile menu. Once you are on the Binance home screen, look at the top left corner of the app. You should see your profile icon, account icon, or a small menu button. Tap it to open your account menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for Settings, Security, or an option related to your account controls. On most versions of the Binance app, the logout button is located near the bottom of the profile or settings page. Keep scrolling until you see Log Out or Sign Out. Tap that option. Binance may show a confirmation message asking if you are sure you want to log out of your account. Tap Confirm, Log Out, or Yes to continue. After that, Binance will sign you out and return you to the login screen or the main welcome page. Logging out is useful if you are using a shared phone, changing devices, troubleshooting the app, or simply want to protect your account when you are not using it. However, logging out does not delete your Binance account. Remove your wallet, cancel your trades, or close any active positions. If you use Face ID, fingerprint login, passkeys, or saved passwords, your device may still make it easy to log back in. So, if you are logging out for security reasons, also check your phone settings and remove saved login details if needed. For extra protection, you can go to Security inside Binance and check your trusted devices. If you see a device you do not recognize, remove it and change your password immediately. After logging out, the next time you open Binance, you will need to enter your email, phone number, password, and any required verification code again. And that's how you log out of the Binance app. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.